All right, so what are we checking out today? We've got the Chasing DTC Pro, which is a wired pool cleaner. This little one is obsessed with the pool cleaner, loves to watch it, and I'll be honest, so do I. All right, you can go. There it is right there. Like I said, it's called the Chasing DTC Pro. They've got a few different versions, but this is the one that I've been testing out recently. For full transparency, this video has been sponsored by Chasing, and Pool Pro actually provided the robotic cleaner for me. They showed up and helped me set it up and go through the entire process so I could actually ask as many questions as I needed to. Now, I've been testing a bunch of pool cleaners recently. A lot of them are the wireless variations, and with this wired version, always the thing that isn't 100% right is the fact that you have a cable sitting in the pool. It never looks as clean as a wireless version, but honestly, the trade-off here makes it well and truly worthwhile. This thing has been insanely reliable for me, and the pool has never looked cleaner. A lot of the footage you'll see is of the pool unbelievably dirty, like probably the dirtiest it's been in quite some time. We've had insane wind come through, and it was just filled with debris. Like, I swam under and moved some of the debris, and it was just like a cloud of dirt and just not goodness. But after a couple of cleans with the DTC Pro, again, the pool's looking super clean. Like, it's just looking blue, clean, all the walls and sides are clean, and the floor's looking great now. So for me, that trade-off of having the cable doesn't bother me when I can put it on multiple cleans and have the pool constantly looking clean. Like, my partner, who has no idea about tech, doesn't really look into it at all, but she knows the pool, right? Like, she can see the pool is either clean or dirty. And she said to me, "Oh, this recent pool cleaner you've got, it's made the pool the cleanest it's ever been." And I would have to agree, it looks better than it ever has. And the fact that I can schedule regular cleans, knowing that I don't have to charge it, makes the world of difference when we go away for a weekend and we can come back and I know that the pool's going to be clean. I don't have to worry about it. Now, if we're to dive a little bit more into the specs and just the overall experience with the pool cleaner, the first thing I immediately noticed is how lightweight it is. Again, I've tested a bunch of pool cleaners and some of them can weigh a fair bit. This one's really light and super easy to get out of the pool. There's a simple mode through the app where you just press pick up. The pool cleaner will climb the side of the wall, you grab it out, and straight when it notices that it's not in the water, it disengages, the lights change, and it literally just sits on the side ready to be cleaned. Stuff like that just made it so much easier to go through the process of cleaning out the basket regularly and knowing exactly what to do. Like, it's freezing now in the pool, but I literally just press a button, it climbs the wall, and I can just pull it out. The filter basket is a 4.1 litre filter basket, really large, and haven't had to clean it out too frequently. With that recent wind that we had, I had to clean it out a couple of times. It does get gunky just like any pool cleaner, so you need to spray it out and then put it back in. But I find that I very rarely have to change it as long as the weather's not too terrible. If you are interested in the DTC Pro right behind me, definitely check it out. I will have some links down below that you can to use to go over and see what the DTC Pro has to offer. Well worth looking into it if you are in the market for a pool cleaner. In terms of the app experience, this was something that I found pretty easy to use. It connects up relatively easily. I do need to stand over near the shed to connect. I'm unable to connect to it through the house. Like, I have to be pretty close to the unit inside, but once I'm connected, super easy to just change modes. That was something that I found. It looks like there's not too much going on in the app and it's quite a simplified version, but it literally does everything you need it to do. It tells you the temperature of the water, which is actually quite handy to know. You just choose a mode whenever you're ready, and you can customize that as well. So change the length of it up to 4 hours, which is really nice as well. You don't have to worry about battery life, obviously, because it's not a portable one, it's a wired one. So I was able to put it on multiple times yesterday for about 6 hours of cleaning to make sure that the pool obviously looks really nice today. But through the app, you do have the option to just clean the floor, you can clean the walls, and you can clean the water line. So it skims across the water line, and you can get it to do all three of those. You can customize it and change whatever you need to do. You can program it based on what pool you're using. So there's different settings for the shape of your pool as well. I found it really easy to do. There was nothing too complicated to it, but it's just simple and does the job. And then there is a physical unit that I have in the shed as well, and I can just press that play button. It looks like a play button, and it will go from, I think, a yellow to a green light to let me know that it started, and then the pool cleaner immediately starts as well. So I never have to use the app if I don't want to. Another really cool feature of having a cable or a wired pool cleaner is that I have manual control as well. So if I want to move the pool cleaner around the pool because it's missed a spot, or I want it to be positioned somewhere to make sure the cable's nice and stretched out and not raveled, then I can manually move it as well. I just have to be in range of the receiver, which, like I said, is over near the shed. But I do that as well regularly just to straighten out the cable to make sure that it's not constantly raveled. The 15-meter cable does actually feature a swivel connection. So this does help to prevent with tangles. Just the way that it's designed means that it can swivel and theoretically not tangle. I mean, it does still tangle quite regularly, and that's just the way it is, because when the pool cleaner is moving, and then it's moving forward, like it's just natural that it's going to tangle. It's not too bad. Like most of the time it's pretty decent, but there normally is a tangle at some point, even when I straighten it out. That is just the trade-off of having a pool cleaner like this. But I think all those benefits far outweigh the negatives here of having a wired pool cleaner. Like I said, I've tested a bunch of portable ones, battery-powered ones, and the issue has been either the battery stopped working, the functionality stopped working, some issue with charging, something like that. Like I've had literally multiple that have just stopped working on me. So the reliability of this makes the world of difference in my scenario, because I'm not exaggerating. I've gone through many pool cleaners from other companies that just haven't been working too well for me. The unit itself only weighs 6.5 kilograms. So like I said, it's a lightweight unit. Even getting my mum or my partner to pull it out of the pool, like really easy stuff. I've found, again, another challenge with some of these other pool cleaners is they do weigh a fair bit, and it can be quite tricky to get it out of the pool. You kind of put your back out, or you've really got to, reef it up with the hook. But this one is really light and easy to just drain out. They say it filters 320 liters per minute. There's a bunch of different cleaning paths that you can see through the app, but there's intelligent S-shaped cleaning path, so it kind of goes back and forth in an S shape, which I find does a great job. It does seem to kind of do like gradual movements like that. I think that's the way the pump's designed, but it literally like slowly moves around, still grips on even when it's down in the bowl in our pool. We've got a big bowl, and other pool cleaners can slip, but even as it's moving slowly, still seems to handle it really well. In all seriousness, this pool cleaner actually arrived at the perfect time. Like I said, I have used a lot of the wireless ones from other companies, but having that wired setup, it makes the world of difference just for like consistency. I love that I can schedule multiple cleans while we're away. I love that I never have to take it out and charge it. I've had no issues with it. Like the light on it displays really clearly what it's doing, like what mode it's in. So it depends if it's like kind of a staggered line, like it's going like this, it's in motion, it's doing something. If it goes with a different color, it's doing something else. Like you kind of get used to what it's doing based on the colors the light displays, and just the build quality is great on it. No issues with it at all. And the way that it cleans the waterline is great. This is a vinyl pool, so it can get a little bit slippery for other pool cleaners. This guy seems to just climb the walls and hold that waterline the whole way across. Really powerful, like no issues with that. And then when it disengages, it kind of just floats back down and then engages again. It doesn't climb back down the wall. So a little bit more power efficient as well. The Chasing DTC Pro has actually just become my daily use pool cleaner now. That's all I use. I haven't even bothered with any of the other pool cleaners that I've been testing. This is now just my primary cleaner. It's really easy to use. It's reliable. I've had no issues with it. And I love how clean the pool looks. Like genuinely, people have been commenting, saying how much cleaner it looks. You can see it looks just blue, beautiful, no issues, right? Like it's not struggling to pick up different size particles, even like the stringy leaves that can come off some of these palms. It has no issues with it. The pool looks great every time. If you're in the market for a pool cleaner and you want something really reliable, this is definitely the one to look into. I love the all-in-one package that it offers, how easy it is to use the app, and how consistently reliable it's been for me. I've literally had no issues with it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support, and I'll chat to you very soon. Peace.